Hello friends, do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you look on the board and see what was the last shape in our pattern? If we find that shape, we will know what yesterday was. What shape do you see? Did you guess the yellow circle? That's right, yesterday we drew a yellow circle in our pattern, and yesterday was Monday, March 8th, 2021. So we're going to start here and we're going to move one square over because we always go left to right. And we're going to put in the next shape of our pattern so that when we're working on our calendar, we know which square to come back to for today. So let's see. What kind of shape do you think we need to put in here today? What do you think? I hear some great guesses. Let's go back to the beginning and do our pattern together and see if we're correct. Are you ready? Green shamrock, yellow circle, green shamrock, yellow circle, green shamrock, yellow circle, yellow circle. Did you guess yellow circle? Let's draw a circle together. You can do it on your paper or on your calendar, or if you want, you can just take your finger and do it in the air with us. Are you ready? So we'll start up at the top and we will go around in a circle. And it's okay if it doesn't look exactly like a circle. We will keep practicing and just color that in. Now that we've drawn our circle in our square, let's go up to the top and let's count all the days of the week together and say their names. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. Thank you for saying that with me. I love it when we do it together. It's much more fun. So if we go up from our circle, we will see that it's Tuesday. And Tuesday begins with the letter T. And T sounds like t, t, t. Can you say t, t, t? Good job. T. And words that begin with T are turtle, tomorrow, and today. Those are all good words that begin with the letter T. So capital T because it's the name of our day, Tuesday. 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 And Tuesday has 2 syllables. Will you clap them with me? Tuesday. Good job. One more time. Tuesday. Excellent. Thank you so much. So today is Tuesday, and we can put Tuesday into the sentence in our agenda. Did you bring your agenda today? It's okay if you don't have one. You can practice on a piece of paper, or you can practice printing the letters in the air with your fingers, or you can just say all the letters with us. All of that is great practice. Our sentence begins with 2 words. Today is. So today begins with a capital T because it's the first word in our sentence. T-O-D-A-Y. Is I-S. And today is Tuesday. So capital T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. And then a comma, and that comma reminds us to stop before we say our next word, which is the month. Do you remember how many months there are in the year? Let's count them up and say their names together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's try the names. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Very good. So there's 12 months in the year. And do you remember what month we are in? Let's go back up to the top. It's the third one from the top. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So it's March. And we always put the name of the month at the top of the calendar. And March begins with a capital M. And M sounds like Can you say Good job. And words that start with M are words like mouse or mini. So March begins with a capital M, A-R-C-H. March. And March has 1 syllable. Will you clap it with me? March. Good job. One more time. March. Excellent. Thank you very much. Now let's put March into the sentence in our agenda. Today is Tuesday, March. Capital M because it's the name of our month. A-R-C-H. And next we're going to put the number. What do you think the number is today? Can you see what the number was yesterday? That will help us figure out what it is for today. So yesterday was the 8th. And when we count, we say 8. But when we put it in the calendar, we say 8th. Can you say 8th? Good job. Let's see, 8. What comes after 8 when we're counting? I hear some great guesses. Let's go back to the beginning and count the days together and see if our guess is correct. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did you guess 9? Let's make a 9 together. You can do it on your paper or calendar, or you can do it in the air with your finger. Are you ready? So we start up at the top and we make a circle. Just make a loop like that. And then make a line down. That's the number 9. Now let's count backwards. Are you ready? It's okay if you don't know how yet. We'll practice together. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Good job! Thank you for counting backwards. I love it when you try these things with me. So now we can put it into our agenda. Today is Tuesday, March 9th. So we say 9 when we count, but we say 9th when we put it into the calendar. So we'll make a circle like this and then a line down, 9, and then we'll put a comma here. And that comma reminds us to pause before we say the year. Do you remember what the year is? Look at the top, up by the month, 2021. Let's put the year into our agenda. Today is Tuesday, March 9th, 2021. 2021. And then a period. And that period reminds us to stop. We're not going to say anything else after we're done saying the year. Will you say the whole sentence with me? Today is Tuesday, March 9th, 2021. Good job. Next, I'm going to put in the numbers. I'm going to practice all of my numbers up to 9 because I want to practice my numbers every day and get really good at writing them. So you can practice with me on your paper or on your calendar, or you can just print them in the air with your finger. That's always fun too. And if you don't want to do any of those, you can just say them with me as we go along. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great job. Did you look outside and see what the weather was like today before we got started? Let's see. Is it snowing where you live? It's not snowing where I live. I think we're almost done with the snow now. I don't think we're going to get any more snow this year. What about sunny? Is it sunny where you live? It's not very sunny here. What about raining? Is it raining where you are? I really do enjoy the rain. What about partly cloudy, partly sunny? It's not sunny here at all, so we just have clouds. It's a cloudy day today, so I'm going to put that on our weather chart. And will you help me put it into our weather chart? So we're looking for cloudy, and this one is a cloud, but it's raining, so that's not the one we want. Here's another cloud, but it's snowing, so that's not the one that we want either. What about sunny? Is it sunny where you are? Not sunny here. Here's a cloud, but the sun is with it, so that's not the one that I want. Here is cloudy. That's the one I want. And we have one cloudy day so far. So we're going to put in one more tally mark. What's 1 plus 1? What do you think that will be? Let's find out together. You can practice with me on your paper, or you can practice with your finger in the air. Just put your finger up in the air and come straight down. Are you ready? There we go. Now let's count and see if our guess is correct. 1 plus 1. 1, 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So we've had 2 cloudy days in March so far. Thank you for helping me with the weather chart. Let's put our weather into our agenda. So today is cloudy, so I'm just going to draw a couple clouds so that we know it's cloudy. Before I put in what I did today, let's look and see what I wanted to do yesterday. And yesterday I wanted to bake muffins, and I did that. So I'm going to put a check mark. And today I need to go shopping because I have a birthday tomorrow for one of my very special people. So I need to go and buy a gift. Do you like to go buy gifts? I need to buy a gift and make a card. I really like to make cards. I hope you like to make cards too. They're kind of fun and a special way to receive a birthday wish. So I'm going to go buy a gift. I'm not sure what yet. I'll find out probably when I get to the store. So I'm going to put a bow on here. Do you like to wrap your presents? I really like to wrap presents. I think it's a fun way to receive something. Some people put them in gift bags. I've even seen people wrap gifts in towels or blankets. So I'm going to wrap the gift up. And I'm also going to make a card. Oh, those colors are almost similar, aren't they? I think I got a purple and a blue, but they look almost the same. And then I will make a card. I really do enjoy making cards, and I really enjoy receiving cards. And let's put some balloons on there maybe. Whoop, wrong way. Because it's kind of fun. Balloons are fun to receive on a birthday. What do you think? Do you like balloons? They're kind of bouncy and fun to play with. And I'll just put a couple strings there. And next I'm going to put my name at the bottom, and I want you to practice printing your name today too. We should practice printing our names every day so we get really good at it, because it's really important to know how to spell our names. And make sure to put a capital letter at the beginning of your name. So capital C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. So yesterday I was feeling pretty happy. I think I'm feeling pretty happy today. Are you feeling happy? Let's see. Let's see what we've got here. We've got a couple different feelings that we can have. So we could be happy. It's nice to be happy. What about angry? Are you angry today? Miserable? Grouchy? What about sad? Are you sad today? Did something happen to make you sad? Maybe you can't find your favorite stuffy, or you didn't like what you had for breakfast. There's all kinds of reasons to be sad. It's good to talk about them to your adult or your friend. What about scared or nervous? Are you scared or nervous? What about excited? Are you excited? I kind of have a lot to do today, so I'm going to pick nervous. I think I'm feeling a little bit overwhelmed because I need to go shopping and buy a gift, and I also need to make a card. So I'm feeling a little bit nervous. That's a lot for me to do today. So I'm just going to put that there. I'm nervous I might not get it done. And tomorrow I need to bake a cake. So I'm a little bit nervous that I might run out of time to do things. And that's okay. It's okay to feel overwhelmed, but I'm going to try get it done anyways. Even though I feel overwhelmed, sometimes I feel like not doing it because I'm overwhelmed, but I'm just going to keep doing it so that I can get it done. That's one thing that you can do when you're feeling overwhelmed. So my kind thing today is I'm going to wave at everybody that I see today while I'm out. I'm going to be friendly when I'm at the store and make sure that people know that I'm a kind, friendly person. And I'll just wave at them. We're wearing masks right now, so they can't really see that I'm smiling, but I can just give them a little bit of a wave. And I hope you can find something kind to do today. If you don't have anybody to wave to, you could make a card that even just says, I love you, or I'm thinking of you, and you can give them to somebody. That's a really nice, kind thing to do as well. So I hope you find something fun and wonderful to do today, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.